So my pretty baby Buzzard has a grade 3 heart murmur. She's about middle of the road. They're not doing anything to treat her right now. They're just keeping an eye. Yeah. My pretty baby. I love you, Buzzard. You're so pretty. Be good. Be good. You're a good girl. And then Mr. Roxy. Hey, you. He's grouchy and he doesn't feel good after his vet visit. Yeah. Hi, Arnie. Hi. Hi, Arnie. And I came home and Buckbeak, oh yeah, Buckbeak was out of the cage. Now he can't get out of the cage himself, so I don't know what's going on. Hi, Spud. Ah, and Tofu's singing away. Chicken, 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 chimkin, chimkin. Hi, chimkin. You're so cute. And Pearl is eating. And Turkey is up there playing with toys. See, he's got a spinner. He likes those spinners. Hey, Buzzard, pretty girl, I love you. You're gonna be fine. Hedwig is Angry Bird still. Yeah. And there's Zora. Hedwig can't be out at the same time as Arnie because he gets to be Murder Bird. He wants to kill Arnie. Roxy, I know you're grouchy. You'll be okay.